Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this super quick video, I'm gonna share with you how you can turn your stimulus check, right, into more money, right? Because a lot of people getting all hyped, they're getting these stimulus checks, $1,400, and a lot of people blowing it already, right? A lot of people blowing it. But if you're smart and you really think about it, why not? If you can make $1,400, right, but then you can turn that into $1,800, $2,400, and so on, right? Now, what I'm talking about is very, very simple and very, very well known, and that is invest, right? You might be like, man, invest? I ain't trying to invest, dude. Listen, if you watched my videos before, maybe this is your first time, but last year I started investing, and one of my best investments so far is Disney, right? I bought stock in Disney. I got stock in Pinterest, and I just invested in another self-driving car company yesterday, actually, right? And the returns I'm getting are awesome. You know what I'm saying? I made over $300 from my Disney stock so far. Made about $140 off of the Pinterest stock. So the stock market, if you question it or you like, man, that's whack, it is real. Yes, the stock market goes up and down, blah, 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 blah. But if I literally took the money all together that I put into the stock market and took it all out today and sold my stock, it'd be close to maybe $800-900 just off of investing, just putting it into these companies, right? So if you can, listen, if you can, I don't expect you to put the whole $1,400, into the stock market, whatever, right? It's a little risque, right? But whatever you can, just to get started, I'm telling you, it's wise. Even if you can just put, $200 into the stock market, just to get going, just to get a feel of what it's like to be an investor, I would definitely suggest you can. Now, if you can put more, even if you could take like Tesla stock right now is like when I check, it's a little under $700. If you can afford to get a piece of stock with Tesla, the self-driving car company, you'll probably most likely thank yourself down the road. In a few years from now, you're gonna be like, man, I'm so glad I got that one share of Tesla. And you probably could, make some nice little return on that, guy. But don't get caught up in the hype of you have to have a lot of money to start investing. Don't get caught up in the hype of like, oh, it's super, super hard. Because you can start investing with just being a basic dude. Like, I'm a baby in the game. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm learning every day. But guys, it's not complicated. Just get started, right? I'm currently with Robinhood, and if you want to start absolutely free, check out the link below to Robinhood. Get your account set up, and it's super, super easy. Now, a lot of people, they use other platforms. So if you don't want to use Robinhood, a lot of people like that TD Ameritrade, Webull, all these other sites. But ultimately, if you're not trying to be this crazy day trading, looking at charts all day, you can get started with pretty much any of them, right? And Robinhood to me is super, super easy. Like I said, guys, invest in the stock. That's how people are making money, and it's good. It's good to just be invested. That's just my opinion. All right. So this is how you can take that stimulus and flip it and make more money in the future. Keep in mind, the stock market ain't guaranteed, but I like it so far. All right. So that's this video, guys. If you liked it, you already know. Give it the thumbs up, share it, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, by the way, if you're interested in a super easy side hustle that can make you fast $50 commissions over and over and over again, check out the link in the description of this video. It'll say something like easy $50 side hustle. Check that video out and start making easy money.